Hello everyone and welcome back. Yeah, I know it's been a while that I haven't posted in this channel, but don't worry, I have a brand new method that I'm sure you will like. Okay, so in today's video I will show you how you can create a full approved Adsense account totally for free. That includes getting the domain name for free, getting the hosting for free, and creating our website. So if you simply follow this video and try to understand each step that I will be doing, then you may even turn this into a whole business model where you will be selling AdSense accounts to people. Each account can be sold for like a $50 to $100 or even more in some cases, which means if you go and create like 10 accounts, that will be a $500 to $1,000 from a simple trick. Okay, so enough with talking, let's get started. Okay, as you can see, I have just created this new Gmail account for this video for education purposes. Now we need to go to the video that I have shared 2 days ago about getting a free domain name. You can find that video in any of my social media like Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Click the link, okay, in the description. It will take you to small business from Yahoo. Click start for free, choose any category for your business. Okay, then choose a name for your business. I will go with Farmo. Okay, now let's go and use our Gmail account, the new one. If you already have a Gmail account, you can use this one. I'm using a new one just for education purposes. Now the first name I will go with Youness, last name Youness again. Okay, and choose a password and click continue. Now choose checkout with PayPal. Make sure your PayPal is connected to a credit card. Okay, you can use any PayPal if Moroccan or from any country. Okay, I will log in like that. Okay, okay, click accept. Okay, let's wait for now. And it's done. Okay, as you can see, it charged $0, so it's totally free. Go to the dashboard. We need to verify our account. Click activate my account. Now we need to log in again. Okay, here, okay, I don't know, it's asking us to log in again. Let's do that. Okay, traffic lights, verify. Okay, here it's asking us to enter some information. Just use here your secondary email. If you have another Gmail account, use it. For the phone number, I will just use fake namegenerator.com to get a USA phone number because I'm from Morocco and they are asking for a USA one. Okay, let's copy that. And let's answer those questions. You can answer with anything that you can remember. Okay, click continue and next, and we are done. Now click claim and verify and click search more. Okay, let's click search more and here type any domain you want. Make sure it's available. Okay, let's check if this name Farmo is available. Okay, same as our Gmail. So yeah, it's available. Let's get it now and let's use here the information. I'm using fake name generator for education purposes. You can use your real information. Okay, and I recommend using your real information. For now I will use the fake name generator once, just for education purposes. Okay. Okay, don't know what's okay. It's a Kentucky. Okay, and for the phone number we use this one. Okay, click submit. Now we are done. Go to dashboard. Okay, let's wait to get the email from Yahoo. Okay, here we got the verification. You need to click that verification. If you don't click it, if you don't approve the information, your domain will get suspended. Okay, so make sure to click that link. Now click verify information, and we are done. Okay. Okay, let's check again. Okay, let me refresh this page. And here we can manage our domain name. As you can see, we can change the records and everything here. Our domain is still pending. Okay, so we need to wait for a while. Okay, like 10 minutes to 15. Okay, not much. Let's go to his.com. Let's check. You can clearly see that it's already registered just now. It's today, as you can see right here. So it's already registered, and as you can see, we need to wait for it to get active. It takes some time. Let's go to this email. Let's click set your data, as you can see right here, and let's allow data sharing. Okay. So while waiting for the domain name to get activated, let's go to our PayPal account and cancel our payment to Yahoo. If you are not willing to use their small business package, and you just want the free trial and to get the domain name for free. So let's log in. Go to automatic payment. You can find that in the settings of your PayPal account. You can see here we have Yahoo active. Okay, let's click it. Okay, click the Yahoo link and click cancel right here. Okay, and we are done with our PayPal account. That way you won't be charged anything next year. Now let's go back to our Yahoo small business. It's asking us to connect again. Okay, let's wait. As you can see, it's active now. Okay, after waiting for like 10 minutes. Now we need to go to cloudflare.com. okay, click sign up. We'll use our Gmail account. Okay, as you can see. Okay, let's copy. Okay, and for the password, use any password you want. Make sure it's strong enough. Okay, now it's asking us to add the domain. Okay, your domain name from Yahoo that you have just created. Okay, choose the free plan and confirm. Okay, let's wait for the DNS records and click continue. Now we need to copy our name servers. But first we need to unlock our domain to be able to change the name servers. Okay, now click change, and let's use our Cloudflare DNS, the first one and the second one, as you can see. And we are done. Okay, we need to wait for like 15 minutes, okay, or 10 minutes for the name servers to be updated. Okay, click done, and done. Recheck now. Okay, now we need to wait for like 10 minutes for now. Okay, let's check now, and as you can see, it's the name server changed, so everything is working fine. Okay, okay, let's refresh this page. As you can see, okay, it's using Cloudflare now. Everything is alright. Next, we need to work on our hosting. Okay, we will be using Firebase for hosting. Okay, so let's search for console Firebase. Okay, let's go to Firebase console by Google, and click create a project. Now name it anything you want. I will go with the same name as the domain name. Okay, Fermo website. Okay, okay, accept, click continue. If you don't want Google Analytics, disable it and click create project. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, and it's ready. Click continue, and it's done. Now we need to go to develop and click hosting. Click get started, and it will ask you to use this command, the npm command, but for that you need to have Node.js installed on your PC. So for that, let's search for Node.js Windows and install it so we can run that command. Okay, let's go with the 64 okay version, and let's open it and install it right now. Okay, next, I accept, next, next, and next. Okay, okay, it's done. Now let's look for the Node.js command prompt. It's right here, as you can see. Okay, let's open it. Okay, like that. Now let's check if the npm is installed. Go with the npm and check the version, and as you can see, it's installed successfully. Now we can use this command, copy it, and let's paste it right here. Okay, now we wait for it to finish. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. Okay. and it's done finally. Now go back to Firebase, okay, and click next. Now we need to we need to copy this Firebase login command and paste it. It will ask you to allow the Firebase. Select yes and click enter. Okay, let's click our Gmail account and click allow, and it's done. Let's go back to our Node.js command. Okay, now we need to create a folder. I have already done that. It's called Farmo, okay, as you can see here. Now we need to go to that folder directory. Okay, let's copy the folder directory and pass it. You need to type cd and type the folder directory. Now we need to copy the Firebase init to initialize the Firebase project inside that directory. But first, let's create a public folder, as you can see right here. Now let's go and use this command to initialize the Firebase projects inside that folder directory. So yes, now go and click space bar to select the hosting. Click enter, and we use in existing projects. Now click enter again. Click enter. Click no. Okay, type no and click enter, and it's complete. Now we have some files created right here. Now we need to get some free websites. Let's go and search for some free HTML websites. Okay, let's go for HTML template free. You can find plenty of ready HTML website that you can use. Try different one for each AdSense account. For me, let's check. For me, I really prefer this mashuptemplates.com, as you can see right here. Okay, let's check for a template that we can use for our projects. Okay, the mentioned one. Click preview, and if you like it, we can just download the files. Okay, let's click download right here. HTML. Okay, now I will just paste the zip file right here, and let's delete the index and the not found page. Okay, and let's extract the files inside the public folder right here. Don't forget to delete the zip file that you have downloaded, and we have our files ready inside the public folder. Okay, now we can go back to our Firebase. Click next, and let's deploy our files to our Firebase hosting. Okay, let's copy this command and pass it right here. Okay, let's wait. And it's done, as you can see. Let's click continue, and let's check our website. As you can see, the website is working fine. Everything is ready. Okay, let's check these other pages. As you can see, everything is working just fine. Okay, now let's add our custom domain, which is the domain name that we have created using the Yahoo promo. Okay, it's this one. Okay, and click continue. It will ask us to verify using the text record. Go to add new record and the type txt. Use the OK and save. Okay, now we need to wait for the text records to work. It will take like a minute or two, since we are using Cloudflare, which responds fast to any change in the records. Okay, let's check now. Verify, and it's working. Okay, now we need to add the records, but first let's delete all the current records. Delete everything. Okay, all the records need to be deleted. Okay, just keep the text record that we have added. Okay, now let's add the records from Firebase. Okay, and the second one. Okay, okay, we need to wait for some minutes. Okay, like 10 minutes for the records to work, but we need to add okay, we need to add some other records for the www. Okay, let's click add right here, and yeah, click continue. And yes, those are the records that I was looking for. You need to add them like that, and we are done. And it's done. Now we need to wait. Okay, I have already waited for like 10 minutes now. Now let's go and check our website. Okay, and it's working. As you can see, everything is working. Our domain name is working fine. Now we need to create our Adsense account, but first let's try to install our VPN extension first. Okay, let's go to the Chrome store, and I will be using the Ivacy. You can use any VPN you want. Okay, let's add it to Chrome and add extension. Okay, and it's done. Let's try to log into our VPN. You can use any VPN you want. Okay, I will search for I will search for the UK location, because I'm planning to create a UK Adsense account. There is no reason, I just want to use a UK Adsense account for education purposes. Let's go to wimi.com to check if the VPN is working, and as you can see, the location is London, so it's working. Now let's go to adsense.com. Click get started. Okay, here we use our domain name, your email, and click yes, and click save and continue. It will ask you for the country. As I have said, I will use the UK just for education purposes, and create the account. Now click get started. Okay, now for the information, I will just use my name, Youness. Okay, and for the address, I will be using the one that I have shared with you on Instagram. Okay, bit.ly.com pin AdSense. As you can see, it will redirect you to the PBN. I want to use the PBN address just for education purposes, okay, and it will be much easier for me to do the PIN verification. Okay, let's use the address. You don't have to use that website. You don't have to use it. I'm just using it for education purposes first, and also it will be much easier for me when it's come to the PIN verification later. So, but you can just use your real address if you want. Okay, and it's done. Submit. Now for the phone number, I will just use my Moroccan phone number. Okay, you can use any number you want. I will just use my Moroccan one, just for education purposes again. If you have a UK, you can. It's preferred to use a UK phone number for a UK account, but for education purposes, I have used my Moroccan one. Now we need to add the AdSense code to our website, which need to be put in the head of our script. Now let's go back to the folder, go to index and edit it. Okay, let's go just before the title. Okay, right here, put it right here, and click save. And let's go back to other pages and do the same edit. As you can see, the code needs to be put in the head. Everyone knows that. Okay, and we are done. For every change we have made on the files, you need to deploy again. So if you make changes on the HTML pages, you need to deploy to Firebase again. Okay, let's wait. That way the files will be updated, and click done, and we are done. Everything went fine. Okay, so one last thing, if the Yahoo promo is no more working and you can't get a free domain name, you can simply go to Namecheap and use any shape domain name you can find. Okay, just look for for .fun or anything cheap. It will work for our AdSense approval. Okay, as you can see, £2. I always try to go to the bottom, and you try to go to for the $2 or less, and you will get plenty of cheap TLDs that you can use for your AdSense approval. Okay, let's just change this to the US dollar. Okay, as you can see right here, Fermo XYZ, it's for just $1 per year. So you can use that one if the Yahoo promo is no more working. I guess that's all. Don't forget to verify your Cloudflare account. Okay, we are done, and now we simply need to wait for AdSense to verify the website. It takes 3 days to a week, and sometimes 2 weeks to do the verification. If your domain gets approved, that's great, but if it doesn't, you need to try with different HTML templates. Okay, you need to keep trying with different templates until you get the approval. Finally, all the information that we have discussed in this video can be used in different business models such as CPA, where you can host your website on Firebase, or you can offer what you have learned today as a service on Fiverr. So please make sure to understand everything that we have done today. Okay, I guess that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and share this video with your friend if he is interested. Thank you again for watching, and have a good day.